just going to do a quick tutorial on how to put together these sports cards. So this is the football one, and I've done it in the colours of my husband's favourite team. Yes, I am Australian, but my husband likes American football. So he's a Jacksonville Jaguars fan. So not quite the right colour teal, but close as I had. So let's put this together for him. So we're going to take the last two layers and we're going to use some glue and stick those together. Now the glue I've got in here is just this one, which dries clear, but I've put it in this container because it's got an easier nozzle, which gives more precision. So doesn't need too much glue. And you just want to line them up like that. Here we go. Now we'll take the next layer and we will stick that one on as well. Line those ones up. Great. Now we'll take the top two layers and we'll glue those ones together as well. Put the glue on the top layer because the bottom layer is wider. Now with these two layers, what I'm going to do is put some foam squares on this one. That just gives it a little bit of dimension between the first and second layers. Now you don't have to stick these foam squares in between here. If you want to make it all one level, you can, just with some glue. Doesn't make it as thick. There we go, we don't need too many. That should do. Take the backings off. This is my least fun part. Okay, then we just take this layer and we just line it up like so, and there we go. There we go, gives it a bit of dimension. Fantastic. So once it's all stuck down and you've got your cover piece, you just need to grab your card. Now included in the SVG is a card template, which you can cut out one of your own, unless you have a pre-folded one that you can just grab. You'll also find included in the SVG is an envelope, so you can also cut that out and make that to go with your card. Now we're going to just stick this onto our card. Give it a press down. And it's as easy as that. There you go, football lovers. There you go, happy birthday. in your team's colours. You get to decide. Excellent, so that's just a little quick tutorial on how to put it together. If you have any questions, leave a note in the description below, and we'll see you next time, crafters.